welcome back to my channel. Here is Angel. Happy Easter. Bonjour, bonjour à tout le monde. Je m'appelle Angel. So, on est là aujourd'hui parce que on va faire notre backdrop là. Et je ne vais pas oublier de vous dire bonne fête des Pâques à tout le monde. Donc c'est ça. So today we wanna do a backdrop tutorial, and guess what? We are doing an Easter backdrop. So I'm gonna use those colors. Those Easter colors. This is the one we're gonna use. This is the color we're gonna use too. Our backdrop today, so you guys stay there and then you're gonna see how it look like. I never done this before, so it's my first time, so you guys don't judge me. So just try to watch and to correct me whenever I will do mistake, because mixing color is kind of crazy, eh? So and then imagine all those colors I use for Easter. Can you imagine all of those colors to put in the backdrop? And I don't know how it will look like, so let's see. And I just want to remind you that don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are new there and you love watch my video but you never have time to subscribe, because what we usually do, we watch a video fast and we finish, we done, right? But how about if you watch, after watching, you subscribe at least, and the next time you will be able to see another video. But don't forget to click that ring bell when you see there, so then every time when I upload a new video, you will be maybe the first person to know when the video comes. Right? So yeah, here we are. Let's start, and I think today we're gonna use 3 layers. So we are taking 3 crossbar down here and then put all there and see how it's gonna look like. Yeah. So let's bring this backdrop down. So this is what I usually use when I do more than this is I use if I wanted to do like 3 layers, I use this one. And when we wanna do like 2 layers only, then we use this one. Yeah, this is for 3 layers, and this one we use when it's only 2 layers. Yeah, so we are using this one today. You guys, you're gonna see something new today. Our backdrop today will be a lot of fabric. So hope, first thing, let's start with orange. I don't know, but I think they use orange on Easter. So let's go first with orange, and the orange you wanna use on I am back. We have to finish this. So you cannot imagine how hard it is. So I restart again. First thing I have to do the design on the first layer. Then I'll do the second one. Then I'll do the last one because it's very hard doing when it's already up. So. Hi guys, I'm finished. I'm kind of tired because it was too much of me doing this, but this is what we get. And then, you know what, doing backdrop is not just doing backdrop, so it's also exercise. So whenever you are doing this, you exercise yourself too, and it's a better way to lose some weight. So yeah, I think I lose some weight today because this thing take me really my time. So je pense que en faisant ceci, nous perdons aussi un peu de poids. Donc j'espère que j'ai perdu quelques poids aujourd'hui. I'm so happy that I love it. I don't know you guys, but it looks beautiful to me. Voilà. Voilà ce qu'on a fait aujourd'hui. Donc merci beaucoup d'être là avec moi. N'oublie pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. En tout cas, donc c'est ce que j'ai fabriqué aujourd'hui. Donc je sais pas, vous allez vous-même donner les noms. Moi j'ai pas les noms, mais tout ce que j'ai pris c'est comme c'est les couleurs de Pâques. Hein? Donc j'ai mélangé toutes les couleurs de Pâques et mettre ensemble. Donc c'est ça. I just keep mixing all the color, all the Easter color and put together, and this is what we get. We cannot see all. I think you can see. I think inside there is green, orange, yellow, purple. So all the color are there, you guys. I know that we cannot mix a backdrop. We can normally when we do backdrop for our clients, we cannot do all this color. But if somebody needs it, why not? So just do this today to show you what we can do with all the color that we have, right? So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for being there with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, I remind you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to bring new people to our channel, right? And also, another thing, we still have our ta-da! So we still have this cartons. So I do a few, like let's say I still have 1, 2, 3, I can say I have 6 turquoise, and I have 2 green, and I have 4 peach, and then this pink, I think I have four, five, six. I think 6 of them, and 1 orange. Guys, this is we done. We finished. This one is done. So if you are looking some turquoise, I still have 6. I think I have 7 of them still there. So if you want green, I still have green, 2 green there. And if you have, you need this pink, we still have them 4. I don't know, but 5 of them orange, no peach, and 1 orange, and then 2 green. So guys, contact me if you need some backdoor carton. Thank you for watching. I love you and God bless you all.